Good day! Are you familiar with the shortcut method of multiplying 1,125 times 1,125? I'm pretty sure at this point you are already familiar with multiplying 11 by 11 and 25 by 25. Do you have the idea now? That will be our lesson today. For demonstration purposes, we will split the number into two. Let the multiplicand 11 be 1,100. Likewise, the multiplier 11 will be 1,100. Let's multiply 1,100 times 1,100 is equal to 1,210,000. Now let's go to the tens and the ones. 25 times 25 is equal to 625. This is not the final answer. We still have to compute for the others, the thousands and the ones, the thousands and the tens. They have to be added also. Don't forget about the hundreds. Should be multiplied by tens and multiplied by ones. Before learning the shortcut method, I would like you to learn the regular way of multiplying a 4 by 4 digit number. The regular way of multiplying 4 by 4 digit number has 16 steps. When shortcut method is used, a few steps will be omitted as indicated by the blue background. To get a better look on how to multiply 4-digit by 4-digit number, we will demonstrate to you the complete steps in multiplying these numbers. In other words, we are demonstrating to you the regular way of There you have it, 16 steps, all in all. Now let's go to the shortcuts. Our given is 25 by 25, so the product is 625. The next to add are the ones with the yellow background. The total sum of these numbers will be labeled others. To confirm that 1,100 times 1,100 is really 1,210,000. We are going to add up all related thousands and hundred steps, like step 9, 14, 15, and 16. Magkatugma kaya ang answer ng shortcut at ang long cut? Tumpak! Now let us find the final answer. $1,125 times 1,125 is equal to 1,265,625. This project is brought to you by I Volunteer for Filipino Children. Just remember, this is my personal advocacy and it is free. Anyone may join.